Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Vlogmas day 18 and we're doing a DIY Christmas photo shoot. I already had the Christmas tree. I just went to Walmart and got a white blanket. This is the setup, but it's still looking a little wonky. The camera that I have is the Canon T7. And since I don't like the way things are looking, I'm going to try to rearrange some things and get it to my liking. So I'm just really trying to make sure the camera is at a good angle. There are a lot of things about this camera that I don't know, but I am figuring it out. Somehow my boyfriend knows more than me. This looks perfect. Now it is time for me to get ready. First, I am going to redo my hair. I decided to put a little piece down at the back because it just makes it look super cute. Next, I am going to do my makeup. First, I start with the primer. Now I am going to do my eyebrows, and I will drop in the comments what different type of concealers that I used. Y'all, please know a full face is not something that I do all the time. After I do my eyebrows, I am going to apply my foundation, and this is Fit Me Suede Mocha, and I got this from Walmart. You just gotta blend, blend, blend. Just keep blending, keep blending. I am going in and highlighting all the areas of my face that needs to be highlighted. I am going into contour with a darker shade, of course. All the places that need to be contoured. I am going in to blend all the places that I have highlighted so I can set it with my setting powder. This is when I realized I could not find my setting spray. But that's okay, one monkey don't stop no show. I am going in with my setting powder. And as it is setting, I am going in and blending all the places that I contoured. I am going in and sweeping out the powder. This is the point where I will do my setting spray, but I don't know where it's at. Now here he come with the mess because the only thing he got to do is put his pajamas on. That's it. Why I have to do my hair, do my makeup. Ugh. Oh my God, men just have it so easy. And I am going in with some type of powder and just patting the spots where I highlighted so I won't be looking like Michael Jackson on camera. And this is a contour palette. Basically, I just use the Illuminate to add a little shine to my nose and my cheeks. And a little on my top lip. Going in with my blush. I am going in with some eyeshadow, but nothing dramatic. About to do some lip liner for my lipstick. Cherry lipstick. I put them lashes on off camera because y'all was not about to talk about me. I had to take that makeup off real quick. But thanks for watching. See you guys on the next video.